YouTube, what's poppin'? IG, what's good? Retro family, retro gang. This your boy, Retro Rick from Retro Rick and Maddie's Kicks, coming back at you in the shoebox. Yes, sir. On the wall. Give y'all a detailed review. Know y'all see the thumbnail. We got the Yeezy Boost 350s. We got the Citrin versus, the Clouds. Both of them are 6.5. The Citrins right here was purchased from Foot Action at South Lake. The other pair was purchased from, what was the other pair purchased from? Hibbett Sports, my bad, Hibbett Sports. Before we do all that, do me a favor, man. You see that button at the bottom, say subscribe. If it's great, go ahead and turn it red. Notification bells, notification gang, go and turn your bells on. It's going to be a lituation. As well as like, leave a comment, tell a friend and tell a friend. That's out the way. Let's get right into this video, gang. Okay, so this is the Cloud pair. This pair came out Saturday. Like I said, it's a 6.5. Just want to let you know how it look. You see the blue shoe when it coming up with the Cloud. This is a non-reflector pair. You got two pairs when these drop with the V2s 350. You get the reflector, the non-reflector. This is a non-reflector pair. It's a 6.5. See the inside here is even blue. The sole, insole. And you got the 3-stripe classic right here, of course. And you got the legit check. QR code. Nice little pair. This pair was $220 plus tax. By the time they add tax, depending on your neck of the woods, you know how your boys say, it came up to like $238, $236, somewhere in that price range. So you know what I'm saying? That's the Cloud pair. Y'all leave a comment. Let me know which pair you're rocking with. If you're rocking with either one of them. People saying Yeezys are dead. I had no problem copping these. So, hey, back in the day, had a little problem, but not no problem now. Maybe it's the color wave or because it's non-reflective. So this is the Citrin pair. It's a green kind of. You got Adidas Yeezy green in the inside, the 3 stripes. Like I said, when you see one Yeezy, especially the 350 Boost V2 model, you pretty much seen them all. Boost action. You got like a little salmon color on the back. I don't know if they're showing up or not, but it's like a salmon color on the heel. A pinkish. Right here, there you go. You got the stitching. Once again, you got the QR code. 6.5. So one pair is for my wife. This pair is for my wife. She's gonna keep this pair. The other pair I got rid of on StockX. I paid $238. I actually popped that pair off on StockX Saturday for $350. Believe it or not. So sometimes you got to wait. If my wife do not put her foot in this pair, if she don't want to rock it, I'm gonna hold on to it. Might see this pair at SneakerCon at one of my giveaways. Yes, me and Maddie will be at SneakerCon October the 19th, Cobb Galleria. The Retro family, the Retro gang, the Retro Mafia, we going to be in the building, along with my guy, Money Fresh Clothing, Know Your Souls, and, some other people, man. Trust me, it's going to be a lituation. We're probably going to be the only one guys walking out, walking around, giving back much as possible. Y'all keep sticking with us on YouTube. I'm going to let y'all know how y'all can get tickets and you want to enter some of these raffles. I'm always about helping my hood. It might be bring clothing items, T-shirts, face towel to get a ticket to win some dope merch, as well as to win a couple of pair of shoes. They're going to be some nice shoes, a couple of GRs. I'm working on a hype beast pair. So I'll let you know more towards the video. But I just had to bring y'all this, man. Kind of see what's going on now. You make up your mind. Let me adjust the lighting a little bit. Kind of see what's going on with them now. So look, man, I'm not going to hold y'all up. I appreciate y'all for even rocking with me on the tube. This is your boy, Retro Rick, for Retro Rick and Maddie's Kicks, man. You know me and Maddie say, man, we love y'all. Stay strong. Stay double strong. We out. Peace.